We're here at the site where Homer Plessy was arrested. He purchased a ticket to board a train going to Covington, Louisiana. The Citizens Committee that he was a member of wanted to challenge the Separate Car Act. The Separate Car Act was that they had to provide a separate car when people of color boarded a train. They could not sit with the white residents boarding that train. They wanted to challenge that law because it was discriminatory to people of color. Plessy could have actually passed for white, but what he did was, it was actually a planned attempt to challenge that act. And what happened was he was arrested. He was actually tried. Plessy versus Ferguson trial was held in the Cabildo, and that's where he was judged. Well, they lost that case. Separate was equal was because of Plessy. But that case is going to actually be instrumental in the Brown versus Board of Education.